What's up everybody, Tim Vix here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Right now I'm riding the all-electric Ather 450 and how exciting does the future look? Let's talk about it. Call me old school, but I love loud, noisy engines. I still remember the days when I used to run to the nearest window to catch a glimpse of the roaring vehicle as it passes by. Okay, I admit I still do that. But gasoline engines have become an integral part of our lives. But things are changing. With fossil fuels running out at an alarming rate and climate change becoming the epicenter of every conversation, like it or not, we have got to embrace the electric vehicles. And with vehicles like the Ather 450, future looks interesting. In a country like India where EVs are not quite the trend yet, Ather has somehow managed to get the perfect recipe for a practical and exciting scooter. Let's begin with the design. The Ather 450 looks very futuristic. It has got some cool lines going on. The side mirrors look quite funky and unique. Haven't seen a design like that in any other scooter. The white and green paint scheme is pretty minimalistic and matches with their charging setup. Headlights not only look cool but are also powerful and has a good throw. Coming to the rear, the open quad tail lamp, that's what I call it, looks really awesome. Overall, the design is very clean. I mean, you can see how beautifully they have blended the indicators with the headlights and tail lamp. It definitely stands out of the crowd, no doubts about it. Tech specs: Ather 450 is powered by a high capacity 2.4 kilowatt hour lithium ion battery pack which sits on the floor where you keep your feet. The battery is IP67 water and dust resistant. The battery powers a BLDC motor which produces 20.5 Newton meter of torque and a peak power output of 5.4 kilowatt. All the power is transmitted to the rear wheel by a belt drive system. Quick question: do you know which other two-wheeler brand uses a belt drive system? Post your answers in the comment section below. Coming back to the Ather now, how does it ride? At present, the Ather 450 comes with two ride options, the drive and the sport mode. They are testing an eco mode as well, which will be out very soon. Sport mode is really peppy and fun to ride. The acceleration is very good and is actually quicker than your average 125cc scooter, thanks to the instant power delivery from the electric system. In sport mode, the vehicle will give you a range of around 55 to 60 kilometers depending on your riding style. You can cover more distance by sacrificing your fun factor a little bit and putting it in drive mode, which increases the range from 65 to 75 kilometers. Drive mode is pretty basic. Acceleration felt a bit less in this mode, but I'm not complaining. Ather 450 comes with a rear monoshock which absorbs the potholes surprisingly well. Braking is good thanks to the front and rear disc brakes. Since the battery is positioned on the floor, the center of gravity of the scooter is very low, and this combined with a 51:49 weight distribution makes handling great in turns or while filtering the city traffic. Ergonomics is good, seating position feels comfortable. However, for a 6 feet rider, I felt the leg space to be a bit cramped. Ather 450 also comes with a reverse drive which allows you to back out your scooter from tight spots. It works brilliantly, but I'm not quite sure how useful will it be in day-to-day conditions. The coolest feature of the Ather 450 has got to be its 7-inch touchscreen console, which is loaded with features. All the data gets synced through the Ather app present on your phone. You can save pictures of your license, vehicle documents, etc. in the console, save all the owner details, receive software updates, check the prescribed tire pressure, adjust the brightness, volume of indicator and parking assist sounds, set the guide me home lights, and you also get a real-time navigation on your screen. You can set the destination directly using the console, or instead use the app. The map also displays all the available charging points across the city. Which brings me to the question how to charge the scooter. Ather will provide you with a home charging setup which takes approximately 2 to 3 hours for a complete recharge. However, Ather has quick chargers in several public places where you can charge your battery free of cost at a speed of 1 kilometer per minute. So basically, if you need to travel 10 kilometers, you'll need to charge it for 10 minutes. Ather also has a regular charging cable which you can plug into any regular 5 amp socket while on the move. All these cool stuff come at a price though. At rupees 1,32,000 in Chennai, the Ather is definitely on the premium side. But if you look at it on a long term basis, it seems to be a reasonable deal. You will be obviously saving a lot of money with respect to fuel, and if you buy one of Ather's subscription packs, your maintenance cost also goes down considerably. If you still feel it's heavy on your pockets, Ather are giving their scooters on lease for a minimum period of 12 months at rupees 2400 a month. This is perfect for people who don't want to own an electric vehicle because of the price factor. The Ather 450 is definitely a very good option if your routes are pre planned and calculated. Charging stations are yet to grow in our country, which restricts the scooter's range. Once charging stations become as common as fuel stations, there's no stopping for Ather. Future definitely looks interesting. Thank you so much for making me a part of your day. Share this video with your friends who are planning to buy a new scooter. Subscribe to my channel and follow my adventures on Instagram at TimVix, and I'll catch up with you all in the next one.
Launch event, electric one.